Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, definitely welcome to MT Paradise. So if you guys are here for the Jetta, awesome. I'm going to show you how to replace both the taillights on the body and on the trunk. And also, if you haven't seen them already, check out my videos with my crazy custom Porsche race car. Like, this thing is absolutely insane, so definitely go check out all those videos. But if you're here for this video, I'm about to get to that right now. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start off with taking out this taillight, and it's super simple, no tools required for this piece. So it's going to be kind of hard to get the camera angle here, but essentially there's this little cover. Just pop that out. There's this little screw thing, kind of has like little arms on it, little white things. So then you're just going to essentially unscrew this. Last time I put it in kind of tight, so. And once you unscrew this all the way, you're just going to go ahead and take it out. And it looks kind of like that. And then you're going to come around to the outside. You're going to get a good grip on it. And sometimes it just kind of sticks. There we go. And then the taillight comes right out. And then you just have to unplug it. So as you can see, it's just a little tab on each side. And the taillight comes right out. It's that simple. If you want to replace this with like a new one, like on Amazon or eBay or something like that, or LEDs, you can. If you want to pop it open, there's little tabs like right here. There's another one right kind of down in there a little bit. Then it kind of has this little red tab, so you're going to pop these two towards each other, and then you want to lift essentially like up and out. Here, there we go. This piece comes right out, and there's your bulbs. So as you can see, that is not a standard bulb, so I went ahead and replaced that. So that's the standard bulb, but I'm just going to go ahead and leave that because there's nothing wrong with these. I had one of the light bulbs burn out and I had a whole kit. That's why I have this fancy looking LED one on here. So yeah, to replace the bulbs is that easy. To replace the entire thing, it's also super easy. And then putting this back in is as simple as just setting it into place. It'll just kind of snap into all the places, and then you'll be good to go. And then putting it back together is the same exact process, obviously in reverse. It's going to take this, it's going to plug it right back into the light. You're going to align the entire housing, push it into place, and you're going to take your same little, I don't even know what you call this, little wing screw thing with the spring. And you're going to stick it right back in there, and you're just going to twist it until it's tight. Alright, next I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight on the your main trunk lid. So that one's actually super easy as well. So you're going to open up the trunk, and you see there's this little cover right here. So what you're going to do is just get on the edge of that. You pull it down with your fingers, and it just pops right out. It's that simple. And then when you look up under here, there's going to be two screws. It uses a flathead screwdriver, and you're just going to go ahead and pull those two screws out. So I went ahead and loosened them with the screwdriver. So I'm just going to go ahead and spin these off with my hands because they're actually super easy. If you're hearing a lot of wind or some other sound, it is currently raining outside, so just ignore that. All right, then once you take both of those off, what you're going to do is just pull this down. You can go ahead and lift up the light. And then just like the other one, you'll want to unplug it. It's just like the little tab on either side. Let's see if I can do this all with one hand. There we go. All right, and then once you unplug it, the whole entire housing comes straight up just like the other one. It's super easy, and there's not much to it. And it's just literally those two screws that held it in place. So if you want to replace the entire housing or just the internals, I'll go ahead and show you how the internals go together. This one's very similar to the other one where it just has these like little tabs you just kind of flex and you just like lift it up, and the whole thing just kind of like pops up out of place. Like, it's super easy. Hardly any tools required to do any of this. And there we go. And when you flip it over, also as you can see, it replaced this light bulb. That one's still the stock one. It still works perfectly fine. So you can replace the bulbs whenever you're done. You put these right back down in here. Just make sure that you have like the little red tabs out of the way. There we go. And it just clicks right into place. Alright, so now that you've pretty much fixed everything and replaced it, you're just going to plug it right back in. You're going to line it up. And on this one, I do want to point out, you want to have the outside edge go in first because there's this little rubber trim. So if you do what I just did, it's not going to go in right. So let me pop it back up out of place. Here we go. So you're going to get that rubber trim to kind of go over the edge of the silver first, and then you can set the rest of the light down into place. And now that the light's back in place, you're just going to take these two little screw things, and you're just going to put them right back on. I'm just going to hand tighten it first, and then I'll go back in with the screwdriver and finish it off. And now that I have those two screws right back on there, I'm just going to take this little cover. You want to make sure, since it has this little lip, you put that inside piece in first, and then you take the outside piece, and then you just click it into place. And just like that, that's replacing the taillights on a Volkswagen Jetta. This is the Mark 6. I have like the year range right here on the screen, but mine's a 2014. But obviously, if your car looks like this on the back, or your taillights look like that, then yes, it'll be the same. So if you guys like this video or found it really helpful, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. If you want to see more videos with the Volkswagen Jetta, definitely check out my channel. I have an oil change video on there already, as well as air intake. But if you want to see anything else, definitely put it in the comments below what you want to see, because I might not have done it yet, and it could be something cool that I could be able to help you guys out. If you guys also want to see videos with my crazy Porsche, definitely go down, hit that subscribe button down below so you can come back to see all those videos. I do all kinds of cool, crazy content. So definitely like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.